Afternoon. So my name is Devraj Ganguly and I have created building a basic keylogger encryption in Python for my CS50 cybersecurity project. So here are the details that are required. The date I'm recording this video is 28th of December 2024 and my GitHub username is Devraj Web and my EDX username is Devraj underscore Ganguly. And I belong from Durgapur, West Bengal, India, which I forgot to mention in the slide, but I have mentioned it here while I'm recording this video. So without wasting any more time, let me show the presentation, and after that, at the end of this video, I will show the code which I have written, though I will not show it fully due to some copyright issues, or it is just related to educational purposes, so I cannot expose the whole code. Therefore, I will just provide a snippet of the code. So without wasting any more time, let me just jump into the next slide and show that what I have created. So this is the project overview. The objective of creating the project is a simple keylogger in Python that captures keystrokes and encrypts the captured data. The concepts involved while making this project are keylogging, file handling, and basically encryption, which is the most important part of the project, that is encryption, which is also known as the Fernet encryption. The keylogger overview. So the basic idea about what is a keylogger to the people who don't know what is a keylogger, it is a program that records keystrokes on a computer. Keystrokes means the data which you enter through your keyboard. It gets stored in a database which is known as keystrokes, and after that it is used from the web browser or wherever the stored wherever it is stored in the backend, used in both unethical and ethical contexts. Educational use only here. So which I have cleared. Disclaimer is on that whatever presentation will be in this video, it is completely for educational purposes. Anyone misuses or anyone copies the code, I will not be liable for that. So the purpose for making this project is only to submit the CS50 cybersecurity course. So the purpose of keylogger in this project is to capture user keystrokes for analysis. The encryption overview. What is encryption? The process of converting data into the coded format to prevent unauthorized access. Basically, whatever passwords we use or whatever combinations we use, it is generally undetectable. If we use special characters or the password is more than 16 to 64 digits, this type of passwords are generally uncrackable. So this is what in the coded form or in cybersecurity or in computer science language we called it encryption. So why encryption is so important? Protect sensitive data, ensure security and privacy of captured data. The libraries used to create this project are py-input, which captures the keyboard events in real time, listens to the key presses and logs them. Cryptography provides tool for encrypting and decrypting data securely. Fernet encryption is used to encrypt the captured keystrokes. Basically, when we enter, it is used to hide that particular what to say, hide that particular input which we are entering through the keyboard, so that the user only sees a star or a dot and does not recognize the character that we have entered just now. So it basically works on that principle. The functionality of the keylogger is capturing secure keystrokes, start listening for key presses. This is the basic idea which I just shared in the previous slide. So this is the small part of the code that I have included in this presentation to just as a reference, where the p input is called and the listener is imported, listener library is imported, and from there the whole things work. And basically the function is when the user interrupts the process, uh, just by pressing Control plus C, it stops, and whenever the necessary code is given to run it back, then it functions back again. Encryption of keystrokes, I already shared that it is stored in the log.txt file. The code snippet again from the small part of the code. I have picked it and introduced and kept it here for the reference as to make it clear that what the project is all about. The full code overview, the by integrating the keylogger function as well as this one, the encryption of keystrokes, it is the whole one. And how it works, this is basically starting the keylogger from starting, stopping, and then from encryption. Running the project is to how the project will be running. Uh, uh, till now, the project is running on a local host. By entering these libraries and by giving these commands, the project gets activated. Ethical considerations, as I had said about the disclaimer part, I have included here also legal and ethical use. Basically, this tool is for educational purposes, just to understand how the function operates or what is the use of this. Unauthorized use of keyloggers is illegal and unethical. Potential enhancements, persistence, advanced encryption, real-time notifications alert the user when the keys are being logged. The learnings that a user might take from this presentation, or basically what I have learned, is to create the basic keylogger just to and the libraries used pinput and cryptography for encryption and many more. I've just included two of them, two of the main, without which the project is nothing. And the future work uh, that will be carried out in the next step of the project is enhanced encryption security, implementing logging to databases, basically a whole keylogger that exists nowadays just to add up to my work also. So this is all. Now let me show the code. So this is all about the code. I cannot show it again. So for a very short period of time, I have just shared the overall code for to support my project also. So this was all about the project. I thank Harvard University for providing me with this opportunity to complete or to enroll in the course or in the professional certification. I wholeheartedly thank the whole team of Harvard CS50, especially David Sir, and all other instructors who have been creating amazing talents all across the world, including me also. I have also learned a lot from there. Thank you so much. So with this, I will be ending today's video. Thank you so much once again.